Hey there, it's Kurt Nilsen with Sunrise Mortgage Group in Oregon City. It's Casual Friday, and in this week's tip, I'm going to share with you a cool infographic that shows 40 top productivity tips used by high achievers. Now, I don't know about you, but when there's a lot to do, it's pretty easy to get distracted and not quite get as much done in a day that I want. Down below this video, I put a link to an awesome chart with 40 productivity tips to help us all get more done in less time. It's a super quick read, so check out the link right down below this video. I know that even if we implement just a few of these tips, it'll help us all have a way more productive day. So speaking of being productive, if you'd like me to be productive for you and check into your client's home loan options, help them with some credit issues, or just answer any questions about home loans, just get in touch. I'm happy to help them out. And keep in mind, my team and I are known for our fast, thorough pre-approvals, great communication during the loan process, and on-time closings. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate your time.